Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant answering a question submitted by a student. This has to do with inverses. Uh, the reason the student's having a little trouble here is because this was cut and pasted without with the bit of a typo here. This should not be written this way. Let me just put it in another color. Um, G of x here. Oops. There we go. I don't know why this thing keeps moving. Let me get a hold of it here. There we go. Okay, hopefully that'll be better. And so we're going to get rid of that. We're going to replace it with okay. So g of x here is supposed to be x plus 7 all over 3. So that's the problem here. Is this is why the student couldn't do it. He probably is working off of some kind of computer system, and maybe he cut and pasted it wrong or understood it incorrectly. But in any event, it's a fairly easy question. So we're going to go down here now and start filling in the answers. So f of g of x. So f of g of x is just f of this new g here, x plus 7 over 3. So all I did was replace g of x with its expression, x plus 7 over 3. Now I'm going to apply the f function to this argument, x plus 7 over 3. And the f function tells me to multiply it by 3. So what this function says is whatever I give you, which is x here, whatever I give you, I'm going to multiply it by 3 and subtract by 7. So I'm going to multiply this by 3. And then I'm going to subtract by 7. And when I do that, I'm going to get x, x plus 7 minus 7, which is equal to x. Okay, so that's all that is. And then down here, we'll do g of f of x, g of f of x. So I'm just going to replace f of x with its expression, which is 3x minus 7. So now the g function over here says whatever I give you, you're going to add 7 to it and then divide by 3. So I'm going to take what I've been given, which is 3x minus 7. I'm going to add 7 to it and then divide by 3. And so now you can see that this is going to be 3x over 3. So there we are. So we found that f of g of x is equal to x, and we found that g of f of x is also equal to x, and that means that g of x is equal to f inverse of of x. So you're going to be studying inverses. I can't get into all the detail that you're going to need to know about inverses, but this is the way you prove that two functions are inverses of the other. Each is the inverse of the other. It's when f of g of x is equal to x and when g of f of x is also equal to x, then these two functions are inverses of each other. So that's all it was. And it was just unfortunate that this came across, the way it did, and I just had to rewrite it so that things would work out the way they're supposed to. Okay, so that's it for this one. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.